Hello everyone, good day and welcome to Harmless TV. Yeah, my people, today Bonga news na wahala. Another one don't see the shell again. No. For the same Hausa land again, Kano people don't carry come out here. They say this time now, say their military force have been a soldier force, have been a police force. Any forces when they get, whether witchcraft forces when they be say for their town. They say this time they don't want carry gun again. No, yeah. They say that one they crack and they do one like that. No. They say they don't need that one again because the bullet, it be like say get some people when be the bullet, no they enter that body. So my people now they don't go borrow China. The one we there now, my people, we they plan how to go from these people go the draws go back. I don't just understand at all. Now they don't see carry China come for Kano. They say make China people come, they teach them how they do their karat. This time now, my sister be my brother. See, make una look me well. I not get grabis. Grabis not there. Check am man, check am now, check am where. I be my doing well, no my hold on small. Blah blah. I beg not to go far. So now my position and where now the karat level now they come they learn now. Maybe small thing. They say China need to show them how Jackie Chan and Maggie Chan they operate everything. Now I tell them say China na still carry come. Coronavirus no China carry come. China not agree make them investigate where coronavirus will come out for their town. Even of recent self when it be said they send America, send a British car, been everything. Make they go China go investigate. Make China open their complaint for them when they toss and there for they do their medicine when this night corona for come out. I've been inside the market when they call Wuhan whether they chop whether a human being meat or I've been a dog meat, I've been a cockroach meat. No, only God no. China not agree open. They say no investigation. Say make everybody lock up. Make they close. Say no, yeah, we're not in the apple. Shebuna don't see say even China said they don't regulate their waiting they call her. Their social media have been at their Facebook, have been at everything. We not they see news again. At the moment government put night with they see. And make we not come forget say this same China people so they don't they train many African countries. They don't they train many African countries so all these are karat this thing because they don't tell us say they don't send Nigeria give China. But no one here. They don't send Nigeria give China. So waiting now go they see now China police, China karat, China ice cream, China gala, China car, China Okada, China everything. So make una France now go take do na own way. My people, if una no say una never see this video, make una just relax, make una just watch and well. Make una see how China take they teach our people how they do karat. Whether they teach them, they go they kill themselves or I don't understand. Because what we need now how to reform Nigeria, maybe how to learn karat. Because whether I go and been a karat, all of them they kill. I beg make una first of all watch the video. We'll come back on arrange and well because all this matter so it they ring for our brain. What the? Welcome back. Even I don't see the matter so. No, I don't see how they run and so. So I beg if you not get power, come borrow and me I go borrow give you. See, you they can't have many bone. You they can't bone when they there. Look at where now. Look at. You see where they say. If I do it like this, I go they ask whether I be man, I be woman. I tell them say when I small, now mantras are they wear. So now I need to question my mama whether now she change or my being and me change because me I never touched that place since I was born. So now come see the thing. Now see so if I not get power, man I come borrow one. Because now we need to learn Chinese karat. I beg una Nigeria, make una the mellow dance more. One or two they fuck up. Now my China wahala still carry come. The one when I carry come never do. Now don't say Nigeria finish. Now don't say everywhere finish. Now Nigeria karat again now. I beg. We get better news when they are important. Let's go to that side, my dear. Bye for now and remain blessed.
It's Melody Songs.